Hi Year 1, welcome to today's writing lesson. Today we are looking at the learning challenge, I can write in the first person. That means we are going to be using words like I, we, my and our to talk about something that we did ourselves. We are going to have a look at a text and in the text we are going to firstly spot the first person words. The first person means we are using words like I, we, my, myself. And we do this to tell the reader about something that happens to us. So something that had happened to us personally. This story we're going to read is from the wolf's point of view. So he's going to be telling us a story about what happened to him from his own point of view. So he's going to be using those first person words, I, we, my, our. And in a moment we're going to read this text, and then afterwards we're going to find all of the words that make the text a first person text. So I'm going to read this first part of the story to you. Everybody knows the story of the three little pigs, or at least they think they do. But I'll let you in on a little secret. Nobody knows the real story, because nobody has ever heard my side of the story. I'm the wolf, Alexander T. Wolf. You can call me Al. I don't know how this whole big bad wolf thing got started, but it's all wrong. Maybe it's because of our diet. Hey, it's not my fault wolves eat cute little animals like bunnies and sheep and pigs. That's just the way we are. If cheeseburgers were cute, folks would probably think you were big and bad too. But, like I was saying, the whole big bad wolf thing is all wrong. The real story is about a sneeze and a cup of sugar. So I am going to give you a few minutes, year ones. Pause the video in a moment and have a look for all of the words that you think make this text a first person text. So you're looking for words that the wolf uses to talk about what happened to himself. Words like I, me, my, our, we. Words like that. So pause the video now and see how many you can spot. Okay, I've got my highlighter pen at the ready. I'm going to read through it again and I'm going to see which first person words I can spot. Everybody knows the story of the three little pigs. Or at least they think they do. I can't see one in there. But I'll let you in on a little secret. Now that has the first person word I in it and it says I'll, short for I will. That's a contraction. So I'll is a first person word. It means I will. It's about me because I'm the wolf. But I'll let you in on a little secret. Nobody knows the real story because nobody has ever heard my side of the story. There's a first person word there as well because my side of the story, it's about me. I'm the wolf, Alexander T. Wolf. So I'm is a first person word. It's short for I am. I'm the wolf, Alexander T. Wolf. You can call me Al. So me makes it about me. There's one there. I don't know how this whole big bad wolf thing got started, but it's all wrong. Maybe it's because of our diet. Now, our is a first person word because it means I'm a wolf and it means not just my diet, my wolf diet, it means all of our wolfy diets. So all of the wolves that are like me, all of our diets. Hey, it's not my fault wolves eat cute little animals like bunnies and sheep and pigs. That's just the way we are. The word we makes it about me as well. We means me and all the other wolves that are like me. If cheeseburgers were cute, folks would probably think you were big and bad too. But like I was saying, there's an I, the whole big bad wolf thing is all wrong. The real story is about a sneeze and a cup of sugar. There we go, brilliant year ones, we have found them all. We found all the first person words that make it about me. I'm the wolf and I'm telling the story. Okay, so next we are going to have a look at our next slide. I'm going to show you some pictures from the book, and now you are going to pretend to be the wolf. And in all of the writing lessons that we're going to do in this topic, you are pretending to be the wolf. So you have to remember that you are the wolf now. So you are the wolf just like I was the wolf a moment ago, and you're going to tell me what you are doing in each of these pictures by using words like I, me, my, we, and our. So here are some pictures, and I'm going to give you a moment to see if you can think about any sentences using particularly the word I, that you can tell me what are you doing in these pictures, because you are the wolf. So have a little think and have a chat if there is someone near you as well. What sentences could you write? You are the wolf. You might want to use the word I. Okay. So we have got some pictures here of things that the wolf is doing, and you are the wolf. So we're going to have a go at writing some first person sentences. We're going to look at the first picture first. And in this picture, I can see that perhaps the wolf is trying to blow the little pigs away. So if I am the wolf, my sentence might be, I blew the little pigs away, full stop. I might also think about the story of the three little pigs where the wolf blew the houses down. So my sentence for this picture might be, I blew the houses down, full stop. Next picture, I can see that he has got some glasses on, and they look like they might be a bit wonky or a bit broken, and a stripy outfit as well. But I've got to remember that I am the wolf, aren't I? So I need to use my first person sentences. I'm the wolf. I wonder if, because we're wearing a stripy outfit, perhaps we might be in jail. So I might write, I was sent to jail. Or I could write about how I'm feeling. I was feeling sad because I got sent to jail, full stop. In this picture, I can see that I, the wolf me, I am making a cake, and I've got rabbit ears and eggshells in the cake, and I have made a huge mess. So my sentence could be, I decided to make a cake. My sentence could be, I put rabbit ears and eggshells into my cake. Or I could write, I made a massive mess. And finally, I'm the wolf. I can see that I, the wolf there, I'm looking at this burger, and the burger's got rabbit ears in it as well, and a little pigtail. Oh dear. So I could write, I ate a rabbit ear burger, or I ate a huge delicious burger. So they are all first person sentences that you could write about these pictures. You're being the wolf and you're going to tell me what you are doing. Before you write your sentences, say them aloud to check that they make sense. So say one aloud, check that it makes sense when you say it aloud, and then write it down, and then go on to your next sentence. Think about, what are you, the wolf? You are the wolf. What are you doing in your picture? And you could also think about how you might be feeling, particularly in the jail one. Here are some good sentences that we might be expecting from our year one writing. I blew the little pigs away. My glasses fell off. I was sent to jail because I ate the pigs. I made a cake with rabbit ears and eggshells in. So try and write at least one sentence for each of these pictures, year ones. If you need a little bit of help, here are some waggles, some good ones that you could steal some ideas from. And if you would like to have a go at the deeper learning, have a go at using conjunctions and, but, or because in your sentences. You don't have to use them all, and you don't have to use a conjunction in all of your sentences, but see if you can squeeze some in. Remember that you can only use one conjunction per sentence, and it has to come in the middle. It can't be near the beginning or the end. Good luck with your sentence writing, year one, and we would love to see them if you want to send them to us. See you soon. Bye.